So we're at another Gwinnett Park. This one I believe is called Vines Road. And it's super nice. Oh look, I think those are turtles. We've came here before and we've seen snakes here. It's basically like a garden. Over there's like flowers and stuff. There's a huge like swing. Come on. There's also some fish in here. I don't know if you guys can see. There's another turtle.
Go right here, mama. You see him right here?
We probably shouldn't be feeding the ducks, but we had a bag of chips and they just started darting at us, so okay. Here's another part of the garden park. This little whimsical place. There's a lot of, whoa. We're literally underneath something. And there's a lot of vines, hence the name of the park, Vines Park. Oh, okay. Then there's this. This is pretty cool. It's giving story. Little.